So the number 7 move on our list is the spin finish. Kyrie Irving is an absolute master at using a spin move once he gets into the paint to get optimal body position before he lays the ball up. Now there's really 2 main keys to a good spin finish. Number 1, on the spin you want to drop your foot as far as you can. A lot of the times you can cut off the defender's top foot and they won't be able to fully recover to challenge the layup. The second thing you want to think about is keeping the ball tight to your body. It's simple physics. The tighter your arms are, the faster you're going to spin. So if you can keep the ball closer to your body, you're going to spin faster and you're going to be more likely to beat the defender to the spot. After all, a slow spin really doesn't help you that much. Also, if you're new to shot mechanics, don't forget to hit that link in the description for our top 3 favorite shooting secrets. You're closer than you think to lights out shooting.